Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I want you to know that the negative comments that you write in videos, I read. I read every comment that you guys post for the most part. And here's one that is sparking this video. Your new assistant adds absolutely nothing to your channel. In fact, he attracts from it. I've been a racer for over 50 years.
A bullshit? A bullshit?
And enjoyed your show because I've owned 2006s and 01. So your channel is very interesting to me, but your new assistant and your childish attempts at human with a farting noises is just too tourist and juvenile.
Huh?
Sick! To what you do best, which is building cars and presenting new parts. Believe me, it'll be better not only if you're chilling, but most likely for your business. No offense to your new assistant, but he adds nothing. Maybe hand him a wrench instead of a microphone. Okay.
I already saw the comment. So we have this 2023 CT-5 Blackwing. This is Jonathan, this is his car. He wants to put a Corsa Extreme catback exhaust on this thing. And what he doesn't know is I'm gonna be the one installing it.
Didn't know that.
Look, he's laughing. He doesn't think I can do it. You didn't think I was gonna be one
I
putting the
had
exhaust
no
on, did you?
idea, but I have faith in you.
He's gonna drive away and be like, dude, what did I do?
I'll be coming back. Hey, it fell apart.
This thing rattles, it sounds like shit. All right, man, let's get to it.
Dude, this thing barely fits under here.
Going up. All right, so here we are, factory exhaust. We're gonna replace basically everything from here and here back. So cat back. This is the valve system, so it retains the factory valves. So we're going to take the factory valves and put them on the brackets that Corsa has for us. Stealth mode is stealth on Corsa, like extremely stealth. Like honestly, it's like quieter than stock, which is crazy. And then obviously loud mode is loud. You guys will hear that a little bit later, so we'll get this factory exhaust off and put the new one on. None of these are mine, by the way. Thanks, Harry. That's not the right size. See, Harry's not even giving me the right size. What is going on here, Harry?
Hold on. Clutch dump that.
Clutch dump it.
Clutch dump it. Oh yeah, all the bolts.
Yeah, they're all snapped off. You're gonna need new bolts, dude, sorry. I don't know what to tell you. Well, I guess we gotta remove this piece. Dude, with this nano tool. Look at this thing. It costs about $800 plus half a nut.
You're already taking the wrong one off.
Take two. Take 5 million. That's it, right? Oh, I see. All right. It's a Hardy with a little softy on the end. Little rocket, dude. Here it comes. I'm gonna blast this off like a rocket. Look at that. Look, it even stayed on, dude. That's a pro, dude. That's pro right there. You don't even know. Oh, way, dude. Way. Two.
Hire this man.
Clutch dump. Almost got it off.
Sorry, finger bang that.
Yup, there it is.
That's why Lauren stays with this guy.
Ah, you gotta clutch dump it.
Yep. Harder clutch dump. Break the tool. Nope.
Oh, that's because we're going the wrong way. Why are we going the wrong way? I just loosened that one, dude. Oh my God. Oh, no, we gotta try again. Dude, it's doing it again. Hold on. All right. We got the right direction this time. There she goes. Oh, and it came off too. Look at that. Oh my God. I hope he's not watching. Yeah, where do I push it?
So you're gonna want to click it back.
Like this way?
Yeah, you'll feel it.
Need the proper tools for the proper job, dude. So it goes this way.
One screwdriver. Yeah.
There we go. Okay. I see now. One and done. Like that. All right. $35 right here. Time to actually unbolt the clamps from the exhaust. Oh, look at that. Stuck in there, bro. How resourceful. Here, take the socket off and just drop it on the ground. Okay. Got it with the hand. This is hot, man. It's like this guy just drove the car. Dude lives 3 hours away, drives in here, it's hot.
On the sort of. You're almost there.
There we go. It's this way. Where are we at? I don't even know where we're at right now. That one's on there, bro. Let me try it again. Yeah, we got to break it loose. So that's the high torque guy.
This guy is going to pop it right off, no problem. So watch your arm.
It jerks your arm and other things too, depending on how you use it.
Oh yeah, you felt that.
That was just a little tapperoni
Dude,
too.
you got a clutch dump it though.
Oh, you're right. Oh,
Dude, right on.
feel that torque, dude. It's like a diesel engine, real slow, but lots of torque. All right, now we got that unbolted. I gotta go take these exhaust hangers off, and I gotta go steal Justin's hanger tool. What's that over there? I don't think he noticed. This thing is actually very easy to use. It comes off so easy, just like that. This car has 20-some thousand miles on it, I think he said. This isn't a brand new car, but it is well maintained.
Lube for Nick? No.
Sometimes you gotta work with it dry. It is what it is. When you get to be my age, you just go for it, man. All right, that's it, right? You only got 4? Oh, it's gonna about to fall on my head. It's coming down. Justin, you can take your tool back now that you're here.
Hey guys, I could have done this myself.
Good. Are you keeping this or not? No. Okay. Yeah, we gotta get the valves out of here now. So we'll oh yeah, because this exhaust never seen water. It's raining. Let's bring this exhaust inside. Yeah, because it's never seen water before. This is the part where we take this factory valve off and we put it on the new system. Ooh. Harry, this tool's got no ass. Very gently remove. Thank you for your purchase, Corsa Performance Exhaust. You're welcome, Corsa, even though I didn't purchase this. Okay, I can already see this is gonna be the flange pipe that connects right to the back of the cat. This is gonna be over here. I'm gonna put this exhaust on regardless of how I pull it out. Like, this one goes where? Wow, look at that nice X pipe, man. Got the Corsa Performance logo right there. It's like a dual X pipe.
Double helix X pipe.
Double helix X pipe, actually. That's pretty cool. I like it. But we're gonna put it like this for now, so this doesn't scratch the Corsa logo. What? No lollipops? I mean, what's going on here, Corsa? Like, I know other exhaust companies give us lollipops. What are we doing? Come on, Slater. Send me a lollipop. Oh, so now we got these bad boys. We got the carbon fiber tips. Yeah, boy. Diamond black. What do they call this black? Black. Okay, carbon fiber black. Is that the company that gives us lollipops? Maybe so. No, Justin needs something to suck on while I work on this car. Right, Justin?
Yeah. Looks like Nick's got the X pipe down on the ground. It's not a big deal.
So I don't scratch the Corsa logo, man. Trying to take care of the stuff. See, if this was my exhaust, that's what I'd be doing. See, I might actually do more work than you today since all you're doing is watching me. Here, hold this. All right. I've laid it out, clamps and all, so that's gonna go up. Now that we have all the parts out, here we go. Psych. Justin's laughing so hard right now. Justin's like, I never seen that shit in my life. All right, this guy gotta go. Actually, no, I think that's, hold on, let me get them nuts on. I gotta get these nuts on there. Okay, now we gotta get these hangers. Wait, we might need some lube. I said I don't use lube, but I gotta use it this time. Harry, WD-40. Good old WD, man. Watch your hand, Harry. You don't wanna get lube on it. Oh, right. First time every time.
Yeah, right.
That's what she said, dude.
I've never seen anybody lube up an exhaust hanger like this.
I've never seen anybody do it.
Shut the fuck up. You gotta put it in the hole first.
Sprays it in the hole.
So wait, I lube up the hanger first and then put it in the hole? Or lube up the hole and then put the hanger in?
Yeah, lube up the whole of the hanger and this and the
I
strap.
said I don't use lube.
And the shaft.
So this is the first time
so
for
you've
me.
never.
No.
That's fine.
Harry's like, you break it, you buy it. I'm like, no, if I break it, you get a new one. Not long enough. What the hell, Harry? Where's your extensions at? Where's Harry Hivis? Ooh, here we go. Are these 1/2 inch though? I know that'll work. That's all I needed, just like an inch. It's crazy what just an inch will do. Oh my. That looks good, right? That looks crooked. Doesn't really matter until you get the mufflers on. Yeah. Now it's muffler time. So this is the surgical part here. Good thing my surgeon gloves are cleaning. Take this thing off. Make sure it goes back on the same way where the valves are not gonna work. So springs on. This slot goes right here. There we go. Got it?
Do you have any anti-seize?
Why do you need anti-seize?
Because it's stainless on stainless, like to gnaw up on each other.
Anti-seize, Harry, where's it at? So we gotta follow Justin's advice and put some anti-seize on these, just like that. Anti-seize.
But it also helps.
All right, next set. I'm gonna anti-seize these things right now. I don't even know. Listen, when you're almost 40 years old, the less you have to be on your knees, the better. I know you're on your knees a lot because it shows, but me, nah. All right, spring's still on. I think we got it there. No, I don't think we do. This one's being a little biatch, dude.
So you gotta help your friends out sometimes.
We're in. Okay.
She's in, bud.
Next step, we gotta get these extension harnesses, and they're both the same, so it doesn't really matter which side. Clip these guys in here. Click every time. Zip ties. We got zip ties because we gotta use them. All right, we do one here, and we'll snip that guy off. Snipperoni, these little guys.
Yeah, flush cuts too, dude. Those are nice.
They are. How much you pay for these, Harry? 180 bucks? Lifetime warranty, dude. Bring your stuff to CSP. Either they'll install it or I'll do it. We gotta take these hangers off. That's the right, that's the left. These little guys here. Yeah.
Dude, Harry's filming skills, dude.
Dude, what an angle. We need some lube. I'm sick of it, dude. I hate it. Nah, I like it. Lube the shaft here first. Yeah. Oh, God. Dude, so much. See, it goes everywhere, though. If you just put it in the hole, it just lubed the hole. It doesn't go anywhere. Look at this. It's even harder. I'm telling you. I'm lubing the hole first on the other side. You're going to be like, wow, you're right.
I will say, Corsa puts these gigantic.
Holy crap, dude.
Put these gigantic nipples on it.
Why is this one so much harder? The other ones were so much easier. There it goes.
Dude, look at the head on that boy.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Holy rocket.
I pushed that thing through there. So we got this muffler ready to go up. I'm telling you, I'm lubing the hole this time. No, wait, don't lube it yet.
Okay.
You can't lube it too soon. That's the trick. If you lube the hole too soon, it doesn't work. I'm telling you. See, Justin doesn't know these things because, well, yeah, I don't need to say anything else. I'm just a little short, but I got it. There we go. All right, she's in. Look at Andrew inspecting springs like I put them on backwards. You're gonna start this car up, it's just gonna work, I'm tell you. You're gonna be like, wow, who installed this? This is really good.
And that one's in. Good job.
Now look, you hole first, you lube up the hole. And then,
Let it drip on yourself.
watch. Oh, yeah, you're right. Dude, the tips on these things are massive, man. They're almost too big for the hole. But see, that one was a little easier, look at that. Yeah. That one was a little easier. I think my way's better. He said he wanted his tips recessed all the way in, so we're just gonna leave them like this. I mean, what do you think? It looks good, right? Looks good, right?
Actually, I just needed a little Sharpie,
Little Sharpie?
paint, black, and we're good to go.
We can paint them, yeah. And then I'm gonna keep the carbon fiber tips because they're gonna look good.
As long as I get a discount.
I can't promise you anything. So now it's time for the tip. Just the tip. And we're gonna do the inside ones here. You know, we got the car eye level, so we're gonna mock them up first. We're gonna keep the plastic on because we don't wanna get it all dirty before first startup, but we will remove it before first start. I just want to see what all these look like real quick. Let's see what we got.
On camera, they look perfect.
Do they really? Yeah, they do look good. In person, there's a little more finesse involved, a little more. We got these tips like pretty much, they're just snug. We're gonna start from the front and work our way back because we know this is all good. So I'm gonna use this really expensive Snap-on in this cool dark blue color. 37 foot-pounds. This thing's more expensive than this exhaust system.
I got that.
Where we at? There's 37. Hell no, dude. Okay, well now we're gonna lower the car. It's time to reveal the actual tip. So we're gonna take this plastic off. These tips are like pretty much perfect because I'm kind of a perfectionist. That's the one thing, like I said, I think I said it before in this video, these systems have so much adjustment that like, it's almost too much adjustment. So, we'll see once we get this plastic off really what it looks like. It's at ASMR. The tips have been adjusted. Not just the tip, but every tip. What do you think?
I love it.
They look good?
They do. They're amazing.
Okay.
Just the tip.
Good, because we're done adjusting. It was like 20 minutes of adjusting, just one tip. Now, this actually wasn't too bad. It was like what, 3-hour job, maybe something like that. When did we start this? Around 9?
Around 9-ish.
Yeah, so it's 12 o'clock right now, 3-hour job for a full catback exhaust system on this CT-V Blackwing. I wasn't crazy about the carbon fiber tips until I saw them on this car. With that and this, you got the carbon fiber emblem here, the carbon fiber Cadillac badge with the V Blackwing. Dude, it goes good. I like it. Subtle carbon fiber. If this was carbon fiber, I feel like it'd be too much. You know what I'm saying? I like it a lot.
Appreciate it, guys. It looks amazing.
Now we're about to hear how it sounds.
Let's go.
You want to stand like,
Hold
have
on,
them
why are you
stand
trying
like
to blow
in front
my
of the
ears
exhaust.
off? I need my
We gotta-
ears.
Trust me, you're not going to blow your ears off with the first start. The gloves are coming off.
Wow.
Quiet, isn't it?
Very quiet. All that work for that?
Yeah, I know, man. What are you even thinking?
That's nice. That's nice.
It's a little different.
Big difference.
That's what we were saying about really quiet stealth and then loud is loud.
That's impressive.
We can whisper things in each other's ears, and then when he hits the button, it's like,
I love it.
quiet. See how it opens?
Yeah.
It opens up at a certain RPM. Oh yeah, see, there you go. That's stealth, complete stealth. But like this mode, like just in the morning, leaving your house,
leaving?
nobody even hear. It's like you got an electric car, man.
Even the pops are amazing.
Looks good too.
No, I appreciate it. Very nice, guys.
I
Good
hope
job.
it looked good after like an hour of adjustment. And that's just stock. It's a completely stock car. You know what I mean? See, I'd like never have it in stealth mode. I'd be like, start
No, I
up.
would
I wanted
drive
it
it.
to start up in loud mode and always be in loud mode. It just sounds good.
That's mean.
He's all about,
All
the stealth mode.
I'm not about the stealth.
He absolutely loves
Only when I get home.
You have choices, so
Yes.
that's good.
Yeah.
It's good to have choices.
Thank you, guys. It was awesome.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it.
Now, if it falls off halfway down the road, you don't blame me. Yeah, I know we just put an exhaust on your car, but this is literally your build right here. Magnuson, fender tank, headers. You got it all, man.
Let's go. Put it on. What are we waiting for?
The money.
The money, yeah. We're waiting for the money, buddy. Now we're gonna pull the car out so Jonathan can hear it outside. This thing is nice. Dude, he got it so far back. I gotta move this seat up like 2 feet because I'm so short. He's gonna be like, who's in this? A midget. You wanna hop in? How mad do you think this guy would be if I just ripped a huge burnout in front of the shop? Oh, yeah, yeah. I look good in here, don't I? That's what you get, man. This thing is very clean.
Okay. Well, you've been promoted. Hand me your wrench. You're back to media. Okay, now that I have my job back, let's see. How do we end this video? Sound effects.